Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
So in this video we are going to see how can we download the VS Code for Windows or any machine. So let's start. First off, just search for VS Code on Google, then go to this download Visual Studio Code link, click on it, and we will get directed to visualstudio.com. In that you will get the options to download for any operating system like Windows, Ubuntu or Mac. So according to your operating system you can choose. Then there are multiple options like user installer, system installer and zip, and you can install anyone, but I always prefer system installer. So if you don't want any trouble, you can just click on this blue button right here, then your download will get started. I have already downloaded it, so I will just double click on it, then run. This application is going to then accept the agreement, then just click on next, again next. Then I want the desktop shortcut, that's why I'm checking that box, then install, and here we go. The installation might take a little bit longer based on your machine, so till then let me show you the website of Visual Studio Code. So here we go. This is the layout of VS Code. Here are the multiple extensions available which we can install according to our needs. Then if we go downwards, then yeah, the IntelliSense is one of the best thing which Visual Studio Code provides, which helps you for completion of code automatically. Then these are the language supported by VS Code. I mean, we can work on these technologies using the VS Code IDE. Okay, so yes, TypeScript, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, it basically covers most of our needs. So that is why VS Code is one of the best IDE available in the market right now. Okay, so let me check where our installation is. Okay, as I told you, it is gonna take a little bit longer, so you have to wait, and after this should get finished, the installation, the software will get installed in your system. You don't have to do anything else. After this there is only a finish button, then your VS Code will automatically get started. So hope you like this video, and let me just show you the trial of VS Code, like how to open VS Code and how to start writing the code in VS Code. So don't stop the video right now, just wait till the end. You will get a lot of helpful things for programming. Okay, so this is about to finish. Yes, here we go, and yeah, let's click on finish. Okay, so the IDE has been started now. First time it will take some time to load, so my programs which were open have started automatically, so let me first close them. Okay, so now first of all I would like to show you the extensions which are helpful for you while coding. So for example, you are gonna write HTML code, then there are multiple extensions available, like I have installed previously HTML snippets, which helps us for auto completion of code. For example, when we start some tag, like for example we start the body tag, the end tag also get automatically added. So there are multiple extensions. Emmet is also one of them, but it is previously installed in Vscode, so you don't need to download it externally. Here are other useful extensions available. You can install according to your needs. So let me show you by creating one of the file, a live example. Okay, so let me save this file as .html extension first. Okay, so Control S, and let me show it at desktop. The name of my file is going to be, we can give anything, for example, okay, practice.html. Now save. So what you need to do, just press the exclamation and just enter the tab, and here we get the boilerplate of our code. Now let me show you by typing the div into 4. Now just after entering tab, you automatically get 4 divs. Now let me try it with h1, and yeah, it doesn't work for h1. So that feature works for semantic tags mostly, like div, section. Okay, so as you go through this, you will get to know a lot. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe and bell, because I'm uploading video lectures on all the languages, frameworks and technologies you need. Do subscribe.